A drizzle of caramel sauce can add a rich and sweet flavor to many desserts. Try drizzling caramel sauce on top of ice cream, brownies, or even fresh fruit for added indulgence. Sea salt. Adding a sprinkle of sea salt to your desserts can create a delicious contrast of sweet and salty flavors. Try sprinkling a pinch of sea salt on top of chocolate desserts, such as brownies. Or truffles, or even on top of caramel or butterscotch desserts. Or truffles, or even on top of caramel or butterscotch desserts. Coffee or espresso. Adding a touch of coffee or espresso to your desserts can add a bold and complex flavor. Try incorporating coffee or espresso into the batter of cakes or cookies, or adding a spoon full of espresso powder to your chocolate desserts for added richness. Full of espresso powder to your chocolate desserts for added richness. Liquor. Adding a splash of liquor, such as brandy, rum, or Grand Marnier, to your desserts can add a subtle and sophisticated flavor. Try incorporating a small amount of liquor into the batter of cake or pies, or using it to soak the layers of a tiramisu or trifle. Or pies, or using it to soak the layers of a tiramisu or trifle. Herbs. Adding fresh herbs, such as mint or basil, to your desserts can add a fresh and aromatic flavor. Try incorporating fresh herbs into the batter of cakes or cookies, or using them to garnish the top of your desserts. Top of your desserts. Yogurt. Adding a dollop of yogurt to your desserts can add a tangy and creamy flavor. Try topping your desserts with Greek yogurt, or even incorporating yogurt into the batter of cakes or muffins for added moisture and flavor. Added moisture and flavor. Honey. Drizzling a bit of honey on top of your desserts can add a natural sweetness and complexity of flavor. Try drizzling honey on top of fresh fruit, yogurt, or even ice cream for added indulgence. Berries. Adding fresh or frozen berries to your desserts can add a burst of flavor and nutrition. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are packed with antioxidants and can add a SW. Add and tart flavor to many desserts. Add and tart flavor to many desserts. Cinnamon sugar. Sprinkling a bit of cinnamon sugar on top of your desserts can add a warm and comforting flavor. Try sprinkling cinnamon sugar on top of toast, pancakes, or even apple slices for SW. Add and spicy twist. Add and spicy twist. Maple syrup. Drizzling a bit of maple syrup on top of your desserts can add a rich and sweet flavor that pairs well with many sweet treats. Try drizzling maple syrup on top of pancakes, waffles, or and ice cream for added indulgence. And ice cream for added indulgence. Nut butters. Adding a dollop of nut butter, such as peanut butter or almond butter, to your desserts can add a creamy and nutty flavor. Try swirling nut butter into brownie batter or even spreading tea on top of fresh fruit for a delicious and healthy snack. Tea on top of fresh fruit for a delicious and healthy snack.